everyone! I know, I can't believe I'm back with another video again so soon. But yeah, I'm trying, you guys. So anyway, I'm going to be using this kit, which was our February mystery kit. And it is a full kit with a deco sheet. And it's just a super cute bunny theme. And I love the quote that says, "Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground." And that washi that I just showed y'all is from Michael's. So that is what I'm going to be mostly using to plan out my week, which, let me tell you guys, I planned it on Sunday. Sunday or Saturday? No, I think it was Sunday. The point is that I planned before the week started for the first time since like August or September of last year. That's when I sort of fell off the planning wagon. Like, come my birthday, I think, yeah, like that week I just didn't plan because we left town to go to Disney, and I back planned it like 2 weeks later, but ever since I did that I was like, meh, I'm not gonna plan anymore. Like, I just wrote down a few things here and there, and like I'd hardly use kits, I'd hardly put any stickers down. It was a very sad moment, sad few months, especially because I had so many Christmas kits. But anyway, I'm like getting completely off track. So yay, I'm back to planning. I'm so excited. And this here, Wednesday, so I don't know if you guys noticed a few weeks ago in one of my plan with me's, like I started putting stickers down instead of going in order Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, blah, blah, blah. I am putting stickers down first on the days that I know something's going on, which for me was only Wednesday this week. That's the only day that I had like a very specific something to go to, which is our final design meeting for our home. And that's where we get to choose all the things from like faucets to tiles to cabinets, all that fun stuff. So I'm so excited. I'll probably show y'all a story while I'm there. So make sure you go follow my Instagram. And yeah, you guys will be able to see. And then here I'm just going back Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and just writing like my work things down. And I really liked using this washi just to show that I was going to be pretty much working all day. And then I put a little working bean down below. And I'm trying to keep it very white spacey and just very open. And I'm trying to utilize these darn dots that I just don't know what to do with half of the time. I want to cover them up so bad because they extend just past the stickers. Well, I could cover them up completely if I was the kind of person that puts stickers on straight, but I'm not, especially on video. It's like I get super nervous that I have this camera on me and I put them on extra crooked. So, except for that one, because I'm telling you guys that I suck at it, so of course I do it perfectly. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just trying to show these dots and just use them in my spread and not hide them. And we'll see how it goes by the end of the week. See if I like it, see if I end up doing it again, or if I end up just covering them all. I did watch a plan with me a few days ago, or it could have been weeks ago, I honestly don't remember, but she used whiteout to cover up all the dots. And I don't know if that's either a really great idea or if I would even do it at all, because it's a lot of work. I feel like it's a lot of dots to cover, but it's almost like it would take me back to my old Erin Condren where I could cover everything up and just have little bits of white space and none of these dots. But anyway, alright, I think I say but anyway a lot, so I'm gonna have to work on that. I almost said it again. Okay, I am going to just keep on planning, put some stickers down, and then I'm going to link down below all the stickers that I'm using from other shops. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in a few. Okay, I decided after watching this video through again that I really like this white space planning and leaving these dots in the open. We'll see how I feel by the end of the week, but I think I like it. It is Tuesday today. I like it. Anyway, oh, there I go with the anyway again. Someone's got to help me with that. But I'm sorry about Bean. There's a little kid playing outside and she's got to bark at him. Okay, so I left my weekend pretty much completely open because here I thought my sister was going to come visit me for the weekend, and then she tells me today that she's going to change it and come, I think, in like 2 weeks. So I'm going to have to fill it in with some other stuff, but I'm going to try and convince my husband to go to Disney for a day this week, and so we'll see if that ends up happening. I have some Disney stickers to use. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll be back very soon with another one. Bye!